Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making pizzelle alla pizzaiola. I've got everything in front of me here, all the ingredients. So I'm going to start by putting the flour in this bowl. Then I'm going to add the oil. And this is extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the wine, and this is white wine. They don't take long to do this, to mix. Now I'm gonna add the tomato paste. And here I have the dry ingredients. I have garlic powder, oregano flakes, chili powder, and sea salt. Okay? And I'm gonna add them in the mixture. Mix everything together. Smells so good. Oh my god. So it smells like a pizza. I'm gonna add more wine. Okay. And I'll let the rest of the wine. Okay, the machine is ready. I'm gonna just move this over here. And so I can show you. So once they're done, I will put them up here, and I'm just gonna get a little bit in the spoon and just place it on the iron here. And these pizzelle, they're like crackers. You can have them with cheese, you can have them with salami, you can have them with anything really. And they're just good plain, you know, the way they are. They smell good, they taste good. So it takes, you gotta wait, it takes a little bit for them to be ready. Oh, nice. So these are my first ones. Beautiful. You just place them here. They're hot. And they're so good. Oh my god. They smell amazing right now. I make this pizzelle too with cinnamon and brown sugar. I make them gluten-free too. They're so good. And just that you gotta sit and wait until they're done. Beautiful. Guys, I'll show you from close. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna... And instead of bread, you can have this. They're beautiful. Okay, I'm almost done with my pizzelle. I already had about 2 or 3, maybe 4. They're so good. Once you start with this pizzelle, it's non-stop. One after another. They're delicious. Yeah, you're gonna wait. It takes time, it takes patience, but then in the end, it's all worth it. They're really yummy. Let's see. Okay. This machine locks by itself. It's beautiful. Actually, it makes cannoli too. Like you can roll them when you make them sweet. You can roll them and fill them with cream. Nearly done. Beautiful. All right. And this is pizzelle alla pizzaiola. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.